Hello everyone. Today we are making a no-bake root beer pie. We will begin with making the crust. We will pour 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs into a bowl. We will add 6 tablespoons of butter and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Now we will use our hands and we will mix it all together. When we are done, we will pour it into a pie pan and we will begin to pack the crust as evenly as possible. We will now put our crust to the side as we make the filling. We will start with pouring 1 cup of heavy whipping cream into a bowl, and then we will use our hand mixer and we will beat it until soft peaks have formed. When we are done, we will place our bowl to the side. Next, we will pour a bottle of root beer into a different bowl. We will pour in a 1/4 cup of milk, and we will add 1 pack of vanilla pudding mix. Now we will whisk it all together until it becomes thick. After it has thickened, we will add in the whipped cream, and then we will fold the whipped cream into the root beer mixture. After we are done, we will pour it into our crust. We will use a spatula to smooth the filling out evenly. Now we will place our root beer pie into the freezer and we will let it chill there for at least 8 hours. If you don't feel like waiting that long, then you can go ahead and serve yourself a piece of pie whenever you want. But if you do serve it before the 8 hours is done, you will probably end up with this mess. And you can add a couple spoonfuls of whipped cream on top to try to make it look better. If you want to, you can also add some cherries on top. And I will add 1 more extra cherry so there's a nice even number. Now we can go ahead and eat our root beer pie. It may look like a mess, but it sure is good. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoy your root beer pie.